Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through the process of creating a YouTube video, a short one, okay, YouTube short video using Canva. So Canva is a software that you can use online to develop quite a number of projects. So our point of focus today is on creating a YouTube short video using Canva. So without any further ado, I'm gonna go straight to Canva so that we see how we get to creating a YouTube short video using Canva. Maybe first of all, I need to indicate that you know that when we speak of a YouTube short video, it's the kind of video which is a vertical video. It's not the horizontal one. So you need to make sure that maybe you prepare your video well in advance before you can take it to Canva, or else you can go and prepare it right there. So I usually prepare my videos that I intend to create a YouTube short well in advance using Premiere Pro, whereby I will change the video, which is maybe landscape, to vertical, in terms of making sure that I change the aspect. You would find that in the beginning it was maybe 1920 by 1080. Then I change it from that to 1080 by 1920 so that it becomes a vertical video. Without any further ado, let's get straight into Canva and see how do we get to creating this kind of a video that I'm referring to, which is a YouTube short making use of Canva software. Right, let's get straight to where we're going to get started with what we need to do. This is Canva. This is the online program which is very much useful in terms of creating different kinds of projects. This is the menu here. Right, so we are on this interface now that we want to create a video which is going to be a YouTube short. We're going to go to the icon of video. You click on it. As you click on it, it's gonna give you different templates. All right, so the one that we are looking for, because it is gonna be a YouTube short which is normally played on a mobile phone. All right, so we're going to choose mobile here. After having chosen mobile, as you can see, it takes you here. Now you have one slide or one page wherein you're going to put your video here. You can see the shape. It's that of the mobile. All right, it is gonna be a vertical video. Or alternatively, if you don't want to do it in this way, I can also show you the other way. Let me go back to the menu. All right, main menu. Then I'm taking you back to home. This is where we are. All right, so alternatively, the other way of doing it, it could be just you going straight to where it says templates. You click on templates. After having clicked on templates, then you browse through. You will see the mobile. It's here. Again, you click on mobile, then it's gonna give you this particular screen. Now you have the blank one. There it is. So that is another way you can get to creating a YouTube short video. So this is the template which is best suited for that. All right, so I'm gonna click on it. I've clicked on it. Now it is taking me to this particular page where I'm going to design my YouTube short or create my YouTube short from. Right, so as you can see here, we've got elements, we've got text when we want to customize this. Okay, so remember we are creating a video, right? So now our slide is blank, so we need to add a video. So I'm going to go to upload. You click on upload. After having clicked on upload, then what you're going to do, if your video is located in your system or in your laptop or computer, you're going to click on upload. It is, I've clicked, it is loading. As you can see, this is an indication that the file is loading right into the Canva software, which is an online software that you can use to develop different kinds of projects. Okay, so I can just drag my video into the slide.
Dealing with bullies doesn't have to be.
Let me pause it because immediately when you drag it into the slide, it's going to start playing. All right, so I've just paused the video. As you can see, it's not fitting into the template of this particular slide. So what you simply do, you drag it to an extent that it fits the template, right? As I'm doing there, I'm dragging it so that it can fit the template there. Right, you can see now it has fitted into the template. You can further drag it so that it is exactly where you want it to be. You see now it has covered the entire page. Or alternatively, I can just simply undo, because this is not how I usually create my YouTube shorts. Let me do it the way I do it. I'm gonna undo until I have it the way it was when it was dragged there. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna drag it right there. It is. I'm gonna drag the bottom one to there. Then let's see. I'm gonna have it in this way. Right. I'm going to put it in the middle. Let me take this one up to here. Right. Just like this. This is the way I want it to be. I want to make sure that it is in the middle. As you drag it, as you can see, it snaps into the template here. Right, so this is my video which is ready. So I just want to make sure that I cover these other parts here. Okay, the sides, I'm gonna drag it to the side there and then drag it again to the other side. All right, this is the way it looks. All right, what I can do now is just to make sure that right, I'm lowering the volume. Right, you can play it. Right, you can see that it is playing. All right, so but this is not the end of it. I want to put some shapes on the blank spaces here, both the top and the bottom. Right, I'm going to go with written elements. Under elements, you'll get different elements that you can use in your project. So here I'm looking for a shape which is a square of some kind. I'm gonna drag it and I'm putting it right here, and then make it fit the template, right, by means of dragging it. All right, okay, I need another one which is going to go to the bottom. I can go and click there and then take that one to here, but since well I have this one, I can just simply copy this one, Control C, then it's gonna be Control V, then I have another one, let's see, Control C, and then Control V. Right, I have the second one. I'm just gonna take it and put it at the bottom, okay, so that it fits this particular template. Drag it down a little bit, and the other side, then the top part, it's fine. Let me adjust my video, right, so that it fits. Right, this is the way it looks. It's looking very good. Right, the other thing that I might want to do is to make sure that maybe I want a different color here. You go to this particular space to change the color, you left click on it, then I might decide that I want this one to be blue. I'm gonna click there, then use this other one. It's textures, in fact, textures blue. Right, there it is. Right, this is how my template looks like now, my YouTube shot. Right, the next thing that I will go and do now is to put the text. Okay, this is the one for the heading. Let me take it as it is. You see that now it's now on the template. I'm gonna make space in order to write. Let's say this one, it's about stop bullying. Stop bullying. Okay, I have it there. Then I can hold it with this particular tool, take it to the top there, right? Okay, so the next thing that I might want to do with my text is to further edit it. Okay, I want it to have the effects. I'm gonna click on the effects, then click on this one. I'm in need of this one. As you can see, there it is. So then the other thing that I can decide, if I don't want this yellow color, let's take, maybe I want it to be black, the background. Okay, not black but white. Let's see if we try to have white. You can scroll and look for the color white. There it is. As you can see now it is white in color, my heading there. Right, I can hold it and take it down a little bit. All right, there it is. All right, the other one that I might want to put, let me see in terms of the text, but I think the text is fine. Right, let's see if we try to play it. This is the way it looks now. All right, let me take it up a little bit, the text or the title of the video. I must hold the video, the title, and then take it up a little bit. Okay, that is the way it is. Then some other elements that I might want to put there, because I've been long using Canva, some of my graphics are stored here. I can say, right, let me go back to upload, then I choose images. So if I want to take another image from the file, I'm gonna click on file, but I just want to take the one which is already saved here. This is the one, right? This is the logo. I'm gonna minimize. I'm minimizing it. Then I take it and put it there. Okay, let me see if there is any other one that I might want to take. That is the one that I so far need. Okay, I don't need any other one in terms of the ones that are here. All right, then let's see how it looks now. Okay, this is how it looks. So then I can try it and play it. You can see here it is indicating the duration of the video. Remember, the YouTube short is supposed to be less than 60 seconds. Okay, so this is less than 60 seconds because it's 51.9 seconds. Okay, so this is my YouTube short, right? If I'm interested in making the video longer, I can drag it again and add another page, and then in between the two pages where I will be having two videos, I can put in a transition which is going to indicate that now I'm moving to the next video. All right, let's try to play it. You can see this is how it plays and this is how it looks now. Right, we close. That is when you are previewing it. All right, that is how you preview it. So basically this is how you can make your YouTube short video making use of Canva. So after having put all the elements that you want into the project, obviously you would want to download this particular video so that you can upload it maybe to YouTube or other social media platforms. Okay, so I must indicate that the version of Canva that I'm using is the free one. As you can see, most of the elements here they have watermark to indicate that this is not a full version. But the nice thing about Canva, you can be able to work on your projects using the free version of it. All right, so when you are done with the development of the video, of course, which is the YouTube short in this case, you're going to want to download your file into your computer so that you can upload it somewhere. So you click on the button that says share. All right, then when you are here, you can see now that it allows you to take it to these platforms that are here. okay? Or you can even share with other people there. So I'm interested in downloading this particular video, okay? Here, as you can see, if I click on here, it's gonna show me the social media platforms that I might want to take my video to, okay? But that is not what I want to do now. I just want to download this to my system or to my computer, okay? I click on download. All right, you see now it is ready to download. When I click on download, the process of downloading the video is going to start, and then the video will be on my download folder on the computer. So basically that is how you will be able to create a YouTube short making use of Canva. Even the free version can allow you to do that. Let me just click on download. I'm clicking on download. As you can see that it is indicating that this is going to be the MP4 video, all right, and that is the name of the video. So now it's being downloaded into my system so that I can play it and also take it and load it to different social media platforms wherein I want to take that to. As you can see here, it is indicating that the video is being downloaded into my system. So thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button so that next time when we release a new video or new tutorial, you will be notified so that you can be part and parcel of the new stuff that will be demonstrating on how to work on them. Thank you very much. Stay safe and take care. Bye-bye.